your student Ican registration number online after you must have registered. Now the first thing you're going to do is this. Go to the Ican website, which is icanig.org. Then you click it. Once you click it, it will bring you to this page. Then you look at this dot here that I'm going to click, this dot here. Then it will bring out home, membership, student. Then you click on the student. Once you click on the student, you wait for it to load. This is a live teaching. Then you scroll down. Then you go to user link, my Ican. Useful link, my Ican. Then you click my Ican. Once you click my Ican, then you scroll down. Then you see professional registration number. Then you click it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, you go down. Then you see something like this. Let me zoom it up, sorry. Let me zoom it so that you see it. You see something like this. You are either going to enter your registration voucher PIN or you enter your surname. Are you getting it? Yes. It's either you enter your registration voucher PIN or you enter your surname, but it's recommended you enter your surname. Now, let's just use any surname and let's see how it will go. Now, let me put Johnson here. Johnson. Then you click check number. It will bring out this for you. The information that you are about to submit is not secured. Read it, but never mind. Just you click send anyway. If I should send it now, it will go, but I don't want to expose somebody's number here. So once you do this, you get your Ican registration number straight and direct. After the 3 weeks of submission, you will get it straight and direct. All you need to do, once you get to this page, you click send anywhere. I believe this video is useful.